Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can get rid of a green screen on Photopea. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Photopea and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the left side of your screen, you're going to find all of the sections. Here you're going to find the home section, this device, via drive, Dropbox, OneDrive, and so on. And here in the center of your screen, you're going to find the option to start a new project, open from computer. Here you're going to find templates and also install Photopea. Go ahead and click on your project. And then you're going to be right here in this window. Once you're here, as you can see, guys, you can choose a name for your project from here. You can choose the width, the height, and the PI. And right here in the bottom, you can choose a size for your image. So right now I'm going to go to screen and then I'm going to choose this size. Once you choose your size, go ahead and click on create and then the project will be created. Once you create your project, right here in the left side of your screen, you're going to find all of the tools that you will need in order to customize your image. And right here in the top, you're going to find file. Once you click on file right here, as you can see, guys, if you click on open, you can add an image from your computer. For example, I'm going to add this image. Once you add it, it will appear right here in your layers. So basically, guys, if you have any layer right here that you want to get rid of, I'm going to show you guys how you can do it. So right now, for example, I'm going to add a new layer. As you can see, guys, this is my new layer. So basically, guys, right now, if you want to get rid of this layer, just go ahead and select it. Then click on delete right here in the bottom right, or you can right click on it. And then right here, you're going to find the option to delete it. And this is how you can remove any layer. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.